Now, talk about another protein, and this protein is what is known as the human hemochromatosis protein, right? Human hemochromatosis protein. Okay, you should actually bring your attention to this side. So, for the human hemochromatosis protein, we say that it's a membrane protein, okay, and it's involved in regulating iron absorption in the body. Okay, if there's mutation in it, it will cause a problem which is known as hereditary hemochromatosis. Do you understand? Like all of a sudden, iron will just be building up in blood vessels and organs. The person will be having a dark skin. Don't worry, we'll get to look at this. We'll get to look at the same time, but just know that we'll talk about hereditary hemochromatosis very soon. So, type of molecule is a transmembrane protein. The gene. Its gene is located on chromosome 6p22.2. Function is to interact with transferrin receptor 1 to regulate, you know, ion uptake by cells. Okay, so we're now talking about the normal function. If it's mutated, that's when you have the abnormal ion buildup because there's nothing to regulate ion. So biological role, ion sensing. So it helps to control how much ion enters the cell by modulating the transferrin receptor binding. Then also systemic regulation. It influences what? Hepcidin production, a liver hormone that regulates iron absorption and release. Balance it to prevent iron from being too much. It will prevent iron from being too much. And also we have the balance. Okay. Prevent iron from being too much. Okay. So clinical relevance is if it is mutated, it can cause hereditary hemochromatosis, lead to excess iron absorption from the gut. Iron will now accumulate in the liver, in the heart, in the pancreas, in the joints, in the skin, and the person is weak, joint pains, diabetes, liver disease, skin bronzing, heart problems. So diagnosis is you try to pinpoint the mutation. All right. Treatment is phlebotomy. So you remove blood. As you are removing blood, it's also reducing the amount of iron in the body. Okay. So two ways, how to treat.